everyone, welcome to today's Python tutorial. Today we're going to learn about tuples and that is a dictionary. Okay, what's a tuple and how do you use a tuple? A tuple is kind of like a list that I mentioned not last time, but the only difference of the tuple is it cannot be changed, and let me a demonstration will tell you what it's about. Like apple, banana, and cherry. ABC. Okay. Let's demonstrate. Okay, like the last time ones. Like the ones of last time, sorry. Yeah, blueprints. Okay, you would like to, you would think, oh, I want to append something, like this, and if we start with a D, a durian. I want to add durian into our list. Let's try it out. Tuple has no attribute append. Tuple can, nothing can be added into a tuple. Another way around, nothing can be removed from a tuple. See, it has no attribute pop. You say, then it's useless. Kind of, but it is just a list but with less function. Yeah, that's actually all about the tuples. And we'll go through the data of the knowledge of dictionary. Dicts. Yeah. The syntax is like this. Apple, we're using the ABC structure. ABC for the data. Banana. 3. Cherry. ABC for data. Print. Dicts. We love dicts. Yes, here. Let's try. Thing is like this. Apple, C. 2. For the left side, it's the keyword of the data. For about 1, it represents apple. So if we type in dicts 1, it will appear. The apple word will appear as we type in 1. 2, banana. 3, cherry. We will want to try append. 4, durian. As you can see, it's not a syntax. It has no attributes append. You cannot add anything into the dictionary, but you can add it into the script. Oops, we forgot something. The open quotation marks. Fruits. How about if I want to add list? Is it okay? I'll not answer you directly, but you must see. 1, 2, 3. Oops, spell it wrong. Dicts 1. Not yet. We have to print, otherwise we cannot see the thingy. See, list can be added into. Oh come on, what phrase? Okay, time served for some interactions with the user. User equals to input. Look up. Dicts. Apple. Red fruit, which contains nutrients. Banana. Okay, that's kind of trash talk, so we better, yeah. H. Hydrogen. Let's try the chemical elements. Helium. Let's show them the group or something. No, that's way too complicated. Okay, I'll think of something. If you guys are interested in chemistry, I can actually make a video about chemistry, a series like that. If you're not, if you're interested, tell me and comment in the description below, and I will make a video series about chemistry. But for now, let's beryllium. Oh, we skipped an important element, lithium. Group 1 element. Lithium. Okay, look up. Element. Local element. Dicts. User. BE. Beryllium. See, we can do something like, you can put the key element as long as it is inside the dictionary. Okay, that's for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment down below. I will always answer your questions. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.